If you want to set up a bedtime mode on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, all you have to do is you need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, you need to find Modes, which is usually somewhere over here. And there we go. In this case, we have a bedtime over here, so we can select this option, and then we have set up a bedtime option at the bottom. And we have the automatic bedtime routine set up by default, which we can of course customize. So you can choose when it should start, when it should end, and in which days of the week it should be included. You can also choose to turn on bedtime mode when you are charging, when you start charging your phone. Besides that, if we go back, we have some additional options that you can go through. You can tap on customizing modes in order to go back to the mode section because, well, we have actually two menus for the bedtime mode for some reason. And over here we also have a notification filter, so you can decide if you want to be interrupted with notifications or if you want to make exceptions, if you want to add, for example, people that can interrupt you during the bedtime mode. There are also display settings that you can go through if you wish to do that. And you can also manually enable and disable bedtime mode just by tapping on the switcher over here. It is also available in quick settings if you happen to find this modes button. If you have this moon icon, then you can just tap on the moon icon in order to immediately enable bedtime mode. You can tap again to turn it off. If you don't have the moon icon, you can tap on the modes text, for example, and you can choose bedtime from here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.